large hail, baseball-sized or larger, will be possible with the strongest storm. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth County in north central Texas until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lindsay, or near Gainesville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This thunderstorm has a history of producing large hail. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Whitesboro, Pilot Point, Pottsboro, Collinsville, Munster, Gunter, Lindsay, Callisburg, Dorchester, Ray Roberts Park Johnson Branch, Lake Kiowa, southwestern Lake Texoma, South Maid, Tioga, Valley View, and Sadler. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 482 and 503. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current